Late payments on closed accounts can hurt your credit score, but should you report the late payments or try to remove the entire account? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to dispute late payments on closed accounts the right way, the risk involved, and what to do if the credit bureau deletes the whole account instead. If you're trying to increase your credit score, this is an important strategy you need to understand, so let's get into it. First, you need to understand how late payments impact closed accounts. Even if an account is closed, late payments still affect your credit score for up to 7 years. The question is, should you dispute the late payment or request the entire account to be removed? Here's a few things that you need to consider. FICO scoring rewards older accounts, so if the account is one of your oldest, removing it can lower your credit score more than the late payment itself. Also, credit mix matters. If it's the only installment loan, deleting it could reduce your credit diversity. Lastly, credit bureaus may delete the whole account. Even if you request only the late payment removal, they might delete the entire account instead. So what that means is, before disputing, check how this account affects your credit mix and history. If deleting it could hurt your score, target the late payment only. To dispute inaccurate late payments, follow these steps. First, you want to get a copy of your credit report from annualcreditreport.com. Next, you're going to highlight the inaccurate late payments and compare it across all 3 credit bureaus. After that, you want to collect bank statements or payment confirmation proving that you are on time. The next thing that you need to do is clearly state the inaccuracy, and you want to request correction, not account deletion, to protect your credit history. Include copies of supporting documents to back up your claims as well. So in your dispute letter, you'll say a little something like this. Dear Credit Bureau, I recently reviewed my credit report and found an inaccurate late payment reported on my closed account. According to my records, I made the payment on time. Please correct this mistake and update my credit file accordingly. I have attached supporting documentation for verification. Thank you for your prompt attention to this matter. Once you write your letter, you then want to prepare it to send it certified mail. Mail your dispute letter to each bureau reporting the error, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, and send it certified mail with return receipt so that way you have proof of delivery. So once you mail your letter, what happens next? Once the credit bureau receives your dispute, they must investigate within 30 days and contact the data furnisher. The furnisher will either confirm, correct, or remove the late payment. Now, if the bureau removes the late payment, your score will likely increase. If the bureau deletes the entire account, check your score impact. It may drop due to lost credit history. If the bureau deletes the whole account and it hurts your score, consider calling them to request a reinsertion review. Not guaranteed, but it's definitely worth trying. So now let's talk about some alternative strategies that you can do to remove late payment. If your dispute doesn't work, try these methods. One being a goodwill adjustment letter. If you have a solid payment history, request the lender remove the late payment as a courtesy. Or you can do a pay-for-deletion if this account is currently unpaid. If the late payment is tied to a balance due, negotiate with the lenders to remove the negative remark in exchange for full payment. Lastly, you can also try a credit repair software to help try to get this account deleted. Tools like Dispute Beast can help you streamline your dispute process faster. No matter what method that you use, always keep copies of your disputes, because if the bureau doesn't fix the mistake, you may have legal grounds under the FCRA to escalate this case. Knowing how to handle late payments on closed accounts can save your credit score from unnecessary damage. Follow these steps and take control of your credit today. If you like this video, hit the like button so more people can see this, and subscribe for more credit tips.